Okay, I'm back in action, folks. It's been a little bit, but you'll see why. I've been working and building for the channel. You guys are going to dig what's coming. Anyway, so this guy is a custom street art kind of lowrider bus. Ain't Fair is what it's called. Let's Race set. The HW Arts cars. All right, let's go. Let's check out the bottom. Got some little yellow paint on the rim of the wheel. Pretty cool. Fan engine back there. All right. Cool.